and welcome back to our channel. I'm with Miss Vielle.
And Kitty.
Wow! And we're gonna do unboxing
together.
Yep. So we have here some delivery items that we will open up and see what's inside. Which one would you like to start opening up?
Big box.
Big box, okay. For these boxes, there are clothes, some grocery items, but majority is Kloud item. So this is from Big W. Come here, the baby is escaping. Look, look! This is from Big W, a big, one of the big department stores or variety stores here in Australia. It's okay. Okay, what's inside? Look! Wow, look! Oh, these are the list of items. Okay, so Baby Kloud's birthday is coming up next month. From Big W, I bought some party supplies. So even if we're currently staying at home, I'm still planning a birthday party for Kloud together with Vielle and her siblings. So let's check it out. So what do you see?
I see this.
Look!
I love these, you know.
This is items for the loot bag.
Yeah. Where is Kitty?
Oh, it's Pika.
She wants to.
Kloud, look, there's a bowl. You wanna look at the items inside? Okay, and then another item. So the theme of the birthday will be Despicable Me. I just chose it. So we have here 8 tattoo for the kids. These are just temporary tattoos. I chose this so that we'll have activity on the birthday. And this baby is getting the items. So what he got is also, this is a table cover. Just a yellow for the theme. Maybe what's that? And then he popped out. These are birthday candles. Look!
Can you help me get this?
Okay.
Wait, did you buy this for cake?
Yep. Okay, don't open everything. Okay, just take a look what's inside. Okay, we have, look, what's this?
Whoa.
These are party plates. So the big one.
Yep.
And this is, what's this one? Oh, this is a party game item. So the reason I chose Despicable Me is because I want to have games for the first day. So I chose these party games. Look! Yep. Yeah, we have cups. Party cups.
Some baby clothes.
Yeah, no, this one.
What's
These
this?
are just birthday banners.
Look, I found the balloon.
Oh, wow, show it in the camera.
I just found the bubbles.
These are minion balloons. We have some bubbles because the kids love bubbles.
Yeah, I love bubbles. And look at this. I don't know what is this.
Let me see. Oh, these are loot bags.
Loot bags?
Yeah, we're gonna fill it up with lollies and the items.
Whoa!
What else? Okay, so I think that's all. That's all for the birthday supplies for Kloud. But there are still some items I got here. So I bought this hand mixer because I wanna bake cupcakes, and from the recipe I got, it requires a hand mixer. So this is my first hand mixer.
And also this one.
Yeah.
So cool, right?
Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah, these are muffin
I like
pans
this
for the
side.
cupcake.
I love that.
What else? What's inside? It's actually, I'm not sure why really I bought this one, but these are piping bags. But actually, if you're a beginner, you can use Ziploc bags. Because these are on sale, so I got it. And last from the bag, this is for me. Sale kasi to. So there's 25% off running from Big W. And the reason I bought this is I want to have a family picture for Kloud's birthday according to the Despicable Me theme. So we also have outfit for Kloud from one of these bags. So Continue on watching to check it out.
A few moments later.
Hello guys, we're going to open baby Kloud's clothes. And this is what we're going to unbox.
Yep. Okay, let's look at this one. Let's look at it. So I just bought a few clothes for Kloud. I don't usually buy him a lot of clothes. These are just for memory's sake because it will be his first birthday. And I want to take a lot of pictures of him wearing different cute clothes. So first is we have this. Isn't it cute?
Yep.
So it's a jumper with a hat. So I bought it because it's a set. Cute for the baby.
And also like a winter coat or something.
Yeah.
And this is his baby pants and...
Yeah. It is paired with this one. I hope it fits. This is a jacket, so it's meant to be a little big, but hopefully it will fit him. I think it's a little bit big, but we'll figure it out how he will wear this one.
Here's some baby shoes.
Yeah, can you open it?
Ah.
So these are from Best and Less. So we have this pair.
Wait, I just want to pop a bubble.
We have this set, and then baby Kloud keeps on escaping.
And some baby shoes.
Yeah.
Oh, I want to pop
Kloud, look! I think it's a little bit big, but these are for 9 to 12 months. But his feet is a little small, but I think it will fit him when he turns 1. So yeah. So all are in theme. So this will be used for his first birthday pictorial. Let's just keep it here. Keep everything here. And I'm gonna fetch the baby. Kloud! Kloud! Kloud!
Cloudy boy. Cloudy boy.
Okay.
Ooh, I want to wear a hat.
Because he keeps on escaping.
A few inches later.
Sorry guys, we was just gone. And I'm sorry.
It's okay. Next item is this one. This package is also from Best and Less. And I'll show you why there are 2 packages. Because for the first one, they had a site-wide, I think 30% off. And then I bought some clothes for the birthday. And then because for this item, I forgot that I need to take photo of Kloud, so I ordered another set. But this one, they also come 25% off. For first item, this is the little jumper. Don't eat that. Come here. Why are you eating the bubble? Do you want me to open it?
Cloud is being silly.
Okay, so this is baby Kloud's jumper for his Despicable Me party. I think the size is really
Kitty
big.
wants to see the camera.
To pair with the jumper, we have here a yellow long sleeves because his birthday is close to winter, so I bought a long sleeve. These are on sale as well. And then for his 11th month, supposed to be the theme is Easter month, so we bought him this. And because we're also running out of long sleeve day clothes for him, so I bought this one. I think this is just for $2.60. Aside from that, I bought some neutral color leggings for baby Kloud. Because it's getting cold and sometimes he doesn't want blanket at night. So I just bought this so that he will be warmer at night. So I have gray and cream color. Do you have tights or leggings?
I have some stockings.
Oh yeah, so maybe they call it stockings. And then lastly, I bought this shirt for Daddy Arsie. The reason why I bought this is supposed to be a Gru type of wardrobe also for our family picture for the Despicable Me theme, because Gru is wearing a suit with a scarf, but the color is like this kind of color. So this is the closest that I think Arsie will wear, because he will not wear a suit, because we are both wearing casual. So I think Arsie will just wear this one. So this is from Best and Less as well.
Yeah, and this is so much fun.
Do you like that?
Yeah, I love popping the bubbles.
Okay, so that's for the 2 packages from Best and Less. If you watch our very first video, you will know that we love to go to Best and Less for baby Kloud's clothes. Because baby Kloud keeps on standing up in the television table. That's why he keeps on getting away from the camera. But I bought some toys. We have last 3 items.
Yeah, I want to open this.
I want to open this. Actually, these are grocery items from an Asian store. The reason I bought this is to prepare for my birthday, which is coming up a few days from now. So I'm gonna show you, and if you are here in Australia and you want to look something Asian products that you want to be delivered to your home, I'll share some links that I used because I've tried and tested them already. Okay. I forgot what I ordered, but
Yeah.
so do you wanna show them? Okay, wait. So just to share, here in Australia, majority is using Australia Post Courier, and how they charge is according to weight. So I maximize the shipping fee according to weight. That's why some of the items are just add-on. So for this box, we got the Mr. Chips, and then shrimp broth cubes, because we're gonna cook pancit.
I love pancit.
You love pancit?
Yeah, without shrimp.
But this is just flavoring. You don't like shrimp? Next items, these Mamacitas tomato. These Mamacitas tocino mix. Because if we're just doing our own tocino here.
Yeah, do you hear that pop sound? That's me, because I love playing with this.
Okay, next item. These 3 are the most
Meow.
important thing here in the box. These are ube halaya or ube jams. Kloud, no! Don't go there. Come back here. Oh, I'll show you how I will get Kloud. Kloud! Kloud! Look! You have banana? Come here!
Come here.
It's not working. Come here.
Do you want apple or orange? Come on.
Come here, closer.
Come on, an apple and orange. Do you also want banana? Do you want some apple?
It's getting confused. You want banana?
He wants apple, orange, and banana. There.
You want banana?
That's the way you get the cake. What?
Okay, he knows how to bite a little. Okay, continuing.
Yep.
I have here two jars of ube because I don't know which one tastes better, and they are of the same price. And the reason I bought this is because I want to make ube cupcake. What? Oh my god, it's looking for the banana. So this one is Tita Deli's ube.
I love popping bubbles, you guys. And plus I'm actually stepping on the bubbles. Jump, 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 jump. I hope I pop a lot.
Okay. And another reason the theme is Despicable Me is because this baby loves banana so much. Do you like banana? No.
Hello. Hello. I'm just on the sofa now. Come on, look at me.
Sit down. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's finish. Oh. Let's keep it here. This is Monica brand. This has a more purple color. And then, oh, be careful with the banana.
That's not bubble wrap.
That's not bubble wrap, it's just a wrap. Okay, for this one, this is ube flavoring. This is McCormick ube flavoring. So hopefully, my ube cupcake will be successful with all these ingredients. And then, I got some ube candies. Do you know this one?
No, and let me have a look at it.
Okay. So yeah. So I bought this for garnish purposes and also because I love this candy. It's been a long time since I last saw this candy. And some snack and cracklings and Del Monte Italian style spaghetti sauce for Kloud's birthday. By the way, for these Asian goods, I ordered it from Exotic Grocery from Queensland. And from their website, they've been an active store for over 25 years already. And they have lots of items. So I'll link the online shop in the description box below of this video.
10 seconds later.
Let me just open this quickly and then Vielle will open this with her kitty cat. So this is from Harvey Norman. They had a massive sale of their photo books. And for the longest time, I really wanted to print out our mobile photos because I just don't want to keep them in our cell phone. But I don't know the quality of the photo book, so I didn't print a lot of albums. But for 22 pages, this is $5. Oh, look! It's Mama and Papa! But the quality is really nice. These are just mobile photos, so I don't expect it to really be high definition.
Yeah.
And they maintain the color. No, open. They maintain the color and they have a mobile app that you'll create your album, submit it, and then they're gonna print it out. You can either request for a delivery or you can pick it up from their store. These are $5 for 22 pages. These are photos from our Boracay trip. And then I also printed out some. So for 40 pages, it's $10 each. This package, we're very lucky to have this. This is from Best and Less. I joined an Instagram competition because they have a new clothes line with the theme trolls.
6.5 hours later.
We're back. We just need to fix a little bit on the camera because we ran out of memory. But as we were telling a while ago, we won the Best and Less Instagram competition. And these are the prizes. So these are Trolls World Tour toy. And a Trolls World Tour sticker book. Do you want to look at it?
While you were gone, I actually looked at the pages.
Oh, do you like it?
Yeah!
Okay, Kloud, say bye. Okay, we'll say bye.
Bye!
Thanks for watching our video.
Yeah, bye! We all did that together. Comment down below if you have any questions.
Please like and subscribe to our channel to be updated with our videos here in Australia.
Yeah.
Bye-bye!
Bye!